Hello, everyone. My name is Lauren Gilreath, and I'm the Director of Customer Success here at Social27. This video is going to focus on making your virtual events more impactful. In today's world, virtual events have become the norm, and it's more important than ever to make them engaging and memorable for your attendees. Here, I'll share 5 tips that will help you create virtual events that people love and remember. Step 1, offer on-demand content. Give your attendees access to pre-event, during event, and post-event content. This provides attendees with a way to delve deeper into session content and offers long-term value, even after the event is over. Step 2, encourage user-generated content. Provide attendees with a platform to share their ideas and thoughts. With Social27, you can achieve this through our features like Hello World or Soapbox videos. This not only enhances the event experience, but it also aids in information retention. Step 3, incorporate movement and fun. Plan activities that get attendees up and moving, such as virtual workout classes or concerts. I have a client that provides several virtual learning events every year for their employees. To generate excitement, they start and end each event with a DJ. Planning fun activities not only provides a break from sessions, but also adds energy and excitement to the event. Step 4, offer attendees a memento. Give attendees something tangible to remember the event by, such as downloadable swag. I once had a client that provided branded Zoom and Teams backgrounds to their audience members so that they could download and use them during the event. Attendees love them, and we saw a higher amount of participation in live sessions. This left attendees with a lasting memory of the event and also created a positive association with my client's brand. Step 5, add gamification. Incorporate gamification into your event to create a fun and competitive atmosphere. Encourage your attendees to explore the event content and earn rewards by completing challenges and tasks. This not only creates engagement, but also helps attendees retain information by making the experience more interactive. And there you have it, 5 impactful strategies to make your virtual events unforgettable. At Social27, we specialize in creating engaging and interactive virtual events that deliver results.